Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw the dove of peace while we learn Spanish. We draw its beak. Beak in Spanish is PICO. Now we draw their big, beautiful wings, that in Spanish is said, alas. What a beautiful dove. Dove in Spanish is PALOMA. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. Marker in Spanish is ROTULADOR. Let's go with orange. That is said, naranja. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.